Melissa, and I'm the teen librarian here at the Meriden Public Library, and this week's Take and Make kits are Candy Sushi. So these are examples of what we're going to be making in this video. They're really basic, and you're going to get extra stuff in your kit, extra candy to customize them and make them as fancy as you want. So let's get started. All right, so these are all the supplies we need to make our two different kinds of sushi. We have a knife for cutting, our Rice Krispie treat, Swedish fish, a Twizzler, and our fruit roll-ups. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna cut our Rice Krispie in half, and let me get all this other stuff out of the way. All right, so we only need half for the first one. So this first one is super simple. Just a little piece of Rice Krispie treat. Got your fish, and then we're gonna take our fruit roll-up. We're just gonna cut a little slice with our knife. You can make that as thin as you want. I'm actually gonna make mine a little thinner. Look at that nice little strip. Go. And just wrap it around and seal it on the back. There you go, easy peasy. For the other one, we're gonna do a filling. So you can either slice this. What I like to do is I like to kind of just mush it with your fingers. Just kind of flatten it. You want nice and, yeah, flatten like that. Let's see. And for this next part, you can either do a Swedish fish or a Twizzler. I'm gonna do the Twizzler. I'm gonna measure that, make a nice little short piece to go inside. Put that right in the middle and just wrap it around. You can kind of, even if it rips, you can just kind of mush it. You can even put a Swedish fish in there, so you got two different colors. There's a whole bunch of different ways to do it. This is like the most basic way possible. And then you're gonna take your fruit roll-up. You're gonna kind of measure it out. So this is about how wide it is. So we're gonna make one the width, or the length of the roll. So we're gonna cut that, take that off, and take off our cut piece. Oops, even if it rips, that's fine. And we are just going to wrap that around, kind of like the seaweed on a real sushi. And wrap that around. If you have a part that rips, just kind of tuck that in. And there, so they're Candy Sushi. So there are our two different types. And you're gonna have extra stuff in your kit, so you'll be able to decorate these or customize however you want. And that's it.